So guys, can you solve this WAEC exam question? Now, this is an indicial equation and we're being asked to find the value of what x. I should solve for x here. Now, when we analyze this question, I love analysis a lot. We can say that we have powers, okay? And in indices, okay, or indicial equations like this, we don't like powers. Power make our work look complicated. So we have to make this linear. We don't like power at all. We have to make it linear. How can we make this equation linear and eradicate the power and all this scary looking stuff here? Now, we're going to use one idea of indicial equation, okay? What is that idea? That idea is that whenever you have an equation, right, okay, and the left hand side and the right hand side have the same base, that means their power must be the same. X must be equal to y. That's one trick, one tip of indicial equation, okay? When the base, if you can make the equation have equal base, that the left hand side and the right hand side have equal base, just one base that are equal, therefore their power must be equal. We're going to use that same idea here, okay? Here now we have a lot of bases here. We have 16, we have 2, we have 4, we have 8. So for us to use this idea to get rid of this and have just linear equation, we have to make sure everything here have the same base. Okay, the bases are equal. We have to try that. Now, how can we do that? Now, the technical way to do this, or the smart way to do this, is that when we analyze this base, we see that they are all a power of what? 2. They are all powers of what? 2. It means that these numbers can be expressed in the form of 2 to the power of something. Okay, so we have 2 to equal base. Very what? Simple. Okay, so 16 can be expressed in the form of 2 to the power of 4. Okay, so instead of 16 here, we have 2 to the power of 4, because 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Then times, we have 2 years, the same base. We love that. Plus 1 equals 4 also. 2 to the power of 2 gives us 4. So we have 2 to the power of 2x times 8 also. We can have 2 to the power of 3 give us 8. So we have 2 to the power of 3 multiplying this bracket, 1 minus x. Yes, we are almost what? There, okay? Because now we have equal base. All the bases are the same. Now we are almost there. Just one more step. What is that one step? For this to be applicable, okay, we need just one base here and one base here. Of course, we can actually also equate them like this, but in some situations whereby the number of bases are not the same, we have 3 here, we have 2 here, equating it directly will be wrong, okay? Be very wrong. So what we're going to do is that we're going to try to simplify this. Since they have the same base, it's easy to do that. Simplify this and make it one base. Simplify this and make it one base. So we can use this idea, okay? Now, so here we're going to have, don't forget, law of indices, when you are multiplying like this, we're going to be adding their power since their base are the same. So here we have 2 to the power of 4 plus x plus 1 equals to 2 to the power of 2x plus 3, 1 minus x. Yes, that's very smart. Can see now we can now have this. So from this idea, therefore, since they have the same base, that means their power must be the same. So therefore, 4 plus x plus 1, there's nothing to multiply it, okay, equals to 2x plus 3 times 1, 3. 3 times negative x, that's negative 3x. So that means the two power must be the same. Now you see that we have eliminated these powers and make it what? Linear. Yes, we can now solve it using our normal idea of linear equation. So yeah, now we're going to simplify. Let's add 4 plus 1 gives us 5 plus x equals 2x minus 3x gives us negative x, then plus what? 3. Okay, so by transposing or by rearranging, so we bring this here, we take this to the other side. So we have x plus x equals 3 minus 5. Whichever way you do it, you can say subtract 5 from both sides, subtract anyhow you do it, okay? Or you transpose like this. So x plus x gives us 2x because 3 minus 5 gives us what? Negative 2. So therefore, dividing both sides by 2, therefore x will be equal to negative 1. As simple as ABC. Please, if you know you enjoyed this or you learned something, subscribe to my channel to learn a lot of beautiful stuff like this, and also as a way of supporting me to make more videos like this. If you have a question, drop it in the comment section, or you have a similar question I can work with, so drop it in the comment section, okay? So till I come your way next time, bye bye.